following message is transmitted at the request of the Hutchinson County Emergency Management Agency. A large wildfire continues to burn in the Lake Meredith area between Sanford and Fritch. Mandatory evacuations remain in place for Sanford and areas south along Lake Meredith to just north of Fritch. Any evacuations for Fritch itself remain voluntary at this time. The evacuation receiving point for Sanford is the BORGER aluminum dome. Fritch High School and the Celebration Family Church remain evacuation receiving points for locations south of Sanford. Highway 136 between Fritch and Amarillo has been shut down to all traffic except emergency vehicles.